Hey, Crystal. This is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my call earlier this week, and thank you for clicking on this video. So in this video, we're going to briefly show you 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. So what's mostly holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is that they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners will take this information and do it for themselves, and some will call me back and ask for help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call. We can chat. And if you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as I can. So what we're going to talk about today, content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, let's look at your website. It's a well-built website. Looks good. It's easy on the eyes. We got a lot of great elements here, pictures and clickable. There's lots of ways to get a hold of you, lots of ways to reach you. There's your Better Business Bureau rating there. It's a really good looking website. I think it works well for you. But Google, what they want to do is they want to rate you based on your content. And content's all the words and pictures you have here, but you need more. Okay, you're just sitting about 900, which is 900 words of content on this front page, which is about twice the average for roofing companies in this area. But when we put it into perspective of the average front page on Google has 1,900 words on it, then you can see where we can improve at least to like 1,500 or 2,000 words of content here. And so what that'll do for you is it allows you to be more of an authority on the subject of roofing in the Virginia Beach area. And so Google is going to put whoever types in Virginia Beach roofer, it's going to put them in front of the site that's going to answer all the questions, and that's going to be the one that has the most words on it, right? So that's going to be you. If you have the right content and you have the right keywords in there, it's going to put you higher on the list, okay? So next thing you want to do is you're going to want to make yourself trustworthy. Google judges you based on how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant industry-specific sites to link to you. So you're going to get a lot of power from another roofing company linking to you, more so than like if Pizza Hut was linking to you. Okay, so if we can go into this tool here called Ahrefs, and it's a very valuable tool. It gives me lots of great information on what's going on in the back end of websites. So this is you guys, United Roofing Corp, and you guys have 48 referring domains, which is a relatively low number. For roofing companies in this area, it's about average, but it's really all about the quality of the domains that are referring to you. Okay, so let me give you an example of that. If you look at Baker Roofing, who ranks #1 for organic searches for Virginia Beach roofing, they have less than you. They have half as many as you, but it's working for them. Look at their value. Look at their traffic. Okay, so the power of the domains that they have is greater than the power of the domains that you have. You can see it in their DR rating. So it's very easy to turn this around. At the very least, we would grab the domains that they're using here. We'd probably add anywhere from 150 to 200 referring domains. Obviously grabbing the most powerful ones, and that's going to help you along with having greater content and more specific keywords to rank in the organic search when people look for roofers in Virginia Beach. Okay, so last thing I want to talk about, again, when people are searching for a roofer in this area, they're looking to buy. Okay, so they're probably going to click on call the first company that shows up that looks trustworthy. All right, so yeah, we have all these ads here at the top, and so that's looks like that's where you want to be. You want to spend your money and get an ad at the top, right? But a lot of people don't trust these. I know I don't as a consumer. A lot of people have had bad experiences with them, or they have ad blockers, which don't even allow them to open the ads at the top. So the pay dirt, okay, the honeypot for this, the prime real estate is right here in this Google map. Okay, and how you get here is having more citations than your competition. Okay, and a citation is your name, address, and phone number in directories on the web. All right, so directories are stuff like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, all the ones you know about. All right, so what you're going to want to have is more than these guys. And that's very easy. We can take the ones you have already. We can take what these guys have. We can add them together, and we can go find more. You're going to want to have like 200 or 300 uh, of these citations in different directories, and bam, you're going to be right here. Let's Google Map, and people want to click on you first. I know it's where I click when I go look for services in my area. Okay, so that's all I have for you. I hope it was helpful. To recap, you're going to want to get anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, incorporating those powerful keywords on your website. You're going to want to get some more powerful and just more backlinks, referring domains. And then lastly, you're going to want to get more citations than your competition. All right. So if you want to do all this for yourself, please do. This is totally free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. All I ask is that you send back 1 or 2 lines of feedback to let me know if this was valuable for you. If you want help to do it, you can give me a call. Our phone number is 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.